Stop buying precision drivers that waste drawer space or lack the right bit. Megapro handles varied repairs. Milwaukee covers everyday basics for less. Choose for bit range, reach, grip, price, and storage. For varied home repairs, choose the Megapro 24in1 multi-bit precision screwdriver. Buy it if toys, glasses, computers, small appliances, and electronics regularly land on your work surface. Its broad bit selection stays organized inside the handle, while the fuller grip makes turning more comfortable. But you're paying well above a basic precision driver, and the shaft only handles shallow recessed screws. It isn't ratcheting, either. Skip it if you mostly tighten Phillips or slotted screws, or often face screws deep inside narrow openings. For low-cost, everyday fixes, get the Milwaukee 4in1 Precision Multi-Bit Screwdriver. It's a compact, comfortable drawer tool for toy battery doors, loose glasses hinges, and similar small screws. The 4 Phillips and slotted options cover routine tightening without charging you for a specialty collection. The limit is range. It's removable, double-ended bits don't cover. Skip it if electronics or appliance repairs are part of your regular setup. Quick split. Choose Megapro for varied repairs and specialty bits. Choose Milwaukee for routine Phillips and slotted jobs on a tighter budget. Neither setup needs a companion tool. Before buying, check your screw types, recessed screw depth, available drawer space, and whether specialty bits justify the higher price. Start with Megapro if you repair a real mix of small household gear. Switch to Milwaukee if your jobs are mostly basic tightening and you'd rather save money and drawer space. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.